Hi friends, welcome back to the Programmer Guide YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the collectors partitioning by method. Okay, so before getting into the concept, right? So I'm going to tell you some real world scenarios where you are going to use the partitioning by. Suppose, right, if you want to group the data some based on the some given conditions, right? So at that time you are going to use the group by, but partition is going to be do split the data based on the given condition of the predicate. Since here we are using the predicate, right? So you can do the multiple conditions like a predicate joining we can do, right? So by using predicate joining you can do n number of splitting the data. So for that purpose we can use the partitioning by. So partitioning by method is a predefined method in java.util.stream.Collectors class, which is used to partitioning the stream of objects based on the given predicate condition and organizes them into the map. Actually here, right, the data is going to be written based on the boolean list. Okay, because right here true list of the data, false list of the data, like that it is going to display. Okay, there are two overloaded variants of the methods are present in the partitioning by. One is the predicate, partitioning by predicate, and the second one is the partitioning by the collectors. So now we will see the partitioning by predicate, how it is works. Okay, so if you see, right, it is a static method of collector of map boolean list partitioning by predicate. So here the parameters are there, right? Like t is the type of input and the predicate is the classifying the input data, like conditional based. Okay, and returning is the collector implementing the partitioning operation. That means it is going to be written the map of boolean list objects. Okay, let's see the example, you will get the understanding. Okay, see here, right, partitioning by example, I have taken the one stream of data, list of stream integer data. Okay, so this stream of data I'm going to do the partitioning by based on the odd and even lists. Okay, so like here, right, I'm returning the, see, you need to remember return type is very important for which collection, which stream of objects is going to be used the what type of return. So then you can use the based then you can use based on the stream of data. Okay, so here, right, boolean list of integers is there. So stream dot collect, collectors dot partitioning by num, since it is a predicate, right, I'm doing the predicational check, either it is a odd number or even number. Okay, let me execute this program. See here, right, the data is going to be displayed like false. False is whatever the not odd numbers, right? That means even numbers. All even numbers has partitioning in the one list, and all the odd numbers is going to be partitioned in one another list. So likewise, it is going to be work in your real time programming, right? Based on the business requirements, you can apply this partition by function. Okay, let me see the another partitioning method, like predicate and collector. Here, right, collectors partition by predicate and collector returns a collector which partition the input elements according to a predicate, reduces the values each partition according to another collector. That means whatever you are performing the collectors that partitioning by, right, all kind of partitioning collector method, you can use that predicate and collectors input parameters. Okay, and organizes the data into a map boolean d whose values are results of the downstream reduction. It means it is going to be grouping the data based on the given collectors and predicate condition. Okay, here if you, since it is a static method, right, you can use by using the class name. So here different kind of parameters are there. T is the type of input elements, A is the intermediate accumulator type of the downstream collector. So what is the downstream you want to use? That means either collectors.tool is to map, to set, or grouping, all kind of operations you can apply here. Okay, and or averaging or counting. Okay, so such kind of scenarios we can use. And downstream, right, a collector implementing the downstream is a reduction operation, and it returns a implementing the cascade partitioning operation. So based on the downstream, right, it is going to be partitioning the data. Okay, let's see the example, you can understand. See here I have taken the same stream of integers. Okay, so I'm doing the partitioning by see here my requirement is, right, count the number of elements into the two partitions. Okay, like my condition is number is greater than 45 is going to be one partition, and another is going to be another partition of the count. Okay, see, let me execute. Before executing I will comment this one. See here, right, the count of the data is like before less than 45, that means 10 to 40 is going to be 4 set of elements. Okay, and greater than, see, our condition is the true condition, right? So greater than 45, then count the data. So true is equals to 6. This is the counting the collectors. So here, right, whatever the data it is, methods are there, right? Averaging int, collect or filtering, okay, flat mapping, grouping by, joining, reducing, summarizing, all the methods you can use. Okay, so now I'm going to apply the same kind of example with respect to string. Okay, I'm creating this string of stream objects, April, October, November, December. So I want to get the data. The letters, first letter is there, right? So character of uppercase letters is the one list, and the rest of is another list. So I want to count how many words are having the starting uppercase. Let me execute this program. See, lowercase false condition is the 1 and uppercase letters is the 3. Since April, October and December is having the starting with the uppercase letters, right? See here, right, stream dot collect of collectors dot partitioning by, here I'm applying the predicate condition. X of character dot is uppercase of x dot character of 0. So since I want to do the character of first character, suppose if you want to do the second character, right, then all data is going to be false. Since, right, there is no second letters is having the uppercase, and I'm counting that. I hope you have been enjoying watching this video. So please like and share and subscribe for future videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye.